When it comes to luxury and precision, Omega stands as a true icon in the world of watches. From deep-sea divers to astronauts on the moon, Omega timepieces have proven their excellence time and time again. In 2025, Omega continues to dominate with its exceptional craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and timeless designs. Whether you're a serious collector or looking for your first luxury watch, this list features the top must-have Omega watches that you simply can't afford to miss. Let's dive into the best Omega timepieces that define style, performance, and heritage. Number 10. The Omega Speedmaster Professional Moonwatch is a timepiece that effortlessly blends historical significance with modern innovation. With its 42mm stainless steel case, this watch is both durable and striking on the wrist. The black dial, protected by Hesalite crystal, features essential elements like a small seconds sub-dial, a 30-minute recorder, and a 12-hour recorder, all powered by the Omega Caliber 3861, a manual winding chronograph movement with a Co-Axial escapement and master chronometer certification. These features ensure top-tier accuracy and performance. A standout attribute is the tachymetric scale on the black bezel, allowing the measurement of speed, reflecting the watch's motorsport legacy. The stainless steel bracelet, designed with a 5-arch link pattern, not only offers durability but also provides a comfortable fit for daily wear. The watch is water-resistant up to 50 meters, ideal for light splashes but not for swimming or diving. At 13.5 meter thick, the watch maintains a balanced presence on the wrist, offering a sleek yet functional design. Its 20mm lug width also makes it adaptable for various straps, adding a personal touch. Overall, the Omega Speedmaster Moonwatch is perfect for those who appreciate a timeless, iconic design with exceptional reliability. Number 9. The Omega Seamaster Diver 300 mAh Co-Axial Master Chronometer is a remarkable blend of style, precision, and durability, making it an excellent choice for those who seek both performance and luxury. Featuring a 42mm stainless steel case, it balances substantial presence with everyday wearability. The blue ceramic dial with laser-engraved waves adds a unique touch, symbolizing the ocean's depths while enhancing readability. A blue ceramic bezel with a white enamel diving scale provides long-lasting clarity, ensuring functionality even under extreme conditions. Inside, the Omega Caliber 8800 Co-Axial Master Chronometer movement powers the watch, offering a 55-hour power reserve and meta certification for outstanding accuracy and resistance to magnetic fields. The helium escape valve, redesigned with a conical shape, highlights its capabilities as a professional dive watch, while the skeleton hands and raised indexes coated with superluminova ensure excellent legibility in low-light environments. With an impressive 300-meter water resistance, this watch is perfect for divers or anyone who enjoys water activities. Number 8. The Omega Speedmaster Moonwatch Apollo 8 Men's Watch is an extraordinary timepiece that brings a piece of history to your wrist. Inspired by the groundbreaking 1968 Apollo 8 mission, which marked the first human flight to orbit the moon, this watch combines cutting-edge technology with space exploration heritage. The 44-25mm black ceramic case provides a sleek, modern look while ensuring durability and resistance. The watch's skeletonized dial is one of its most striking features, beautifully laser-ablated to mimic the surface of the moon, offering a captivating visual experience. Powered by the Caliber 3869, this hand-wound movement boasts Omega's Co-Axial escapement and a silicone hairspring, making it exceptionally precise and reliable. The Master Chronometer certification ensures the highest level of performance, achieving the best possible results in rigorous testing conditions. On top of its technical prowess, the watch includes a tachymeter scale for measuring speed and a Saturn V rocket-shaped small seconds hand that adds a subtle yet unmistakable nod to the Apollo mission. Complemented by a perforated black leather strap with yellow rubber lining, this timepiece provides both comfort and style. Number 7. The Omega Speedmaster Co-Axial Chronograph Moonwatch is a stunning blend of tradition and modern engineering. It boasts a 42mm stainless steel case, giving it a robust yet sophisticated look. Powered by the Omega Caliber 3861, a manual winding chronograph movement, this watch offers 26 joules and an impressive 50-hour power reserve. What sets it apart is its master chronometer certification, ensuring high levels of accuracy and performance. The black step dial features rhodium-plated hands and hour markers for excellent legibility, while the three subdials, small seconds, 30-minute recorder, and 12-hour recorder make it functional and aesthetically pleasing. The tachymetric scale on the black bezel adds to its design, reminiscent of the moon-worn Speedmaster style. The brushed 5-arched links per row bracelet enhances the classic look, making it a perfect match for any occasion. Additionally, the watch is water-resistant up to 50 meters, adding practical value to its elegant form. While it may be a bit pricier compared to other chronographs, the Speedmaster remains one of the most iconic and reliable watches on the market. Number 6. The Omega Seamaster Planet. Ocean 600M is a remarkable timepiece that blends exceptional functionality with refined design. Encased in stainless steel, this watch boasts a black ceramic unidirectional bezel with Omega's liquid metal TM diving scale, making it both durable and visually striking. The black ceramic dial is protected by a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, ensuring lasting clarity. A date window at the 3 o'clock position adds practicality without compromising the watch's sleek appearance. Powered by the Omega Master chronometer caliber 8900, the movement offers outstanding precision and a 60-hour power reserve. This movement is resistant to magnetic fields up to 15,000 Gauss, ensuring consistent performance even in the most challenging environments. The watch is built for serious divers, with a water resistance of 600 meters, 2,000 feet, and a helium escape valve, perfect for deep-sea exploration. The stainless steel bracelet comes with an extendable fold-over clasp, allowing a comfortable fit over wetsuits. With its anti-magnetic properties, the Seamaster Planet Ocean 600Me ensures accurate timekeeping even in magnetic fields, making it a dependable choice for professionals. Number 5. The Omega Speedmaster Moonwatch Professional is a legendary timepiece that has etched its name in horological history. Featuring a 42mm stainless steel case with an asymmetrical design, it exudes a robust yet refined presence on the wrist. The watch is equipped with Hesselite crystal on the front and an embossed seahorse medallion on the caseback, paying homage to its storied past. At the heart of this iconic chronograph lies the Omega Caliber 3861, a manual winding movement that boasts Co-Axial escapement and is master chronometer certified, ensuring exceptional precision and reliability. The movement offers a power reserve of approximately 50 hours and features a silicon balance spring, providing resistance to magnetic fields up to 15,000 Gauss. The black step dial is adorned with a small second subdial, 30-minute recorder, and 12-hour recorder, along with a central chronograph hand. The anodized aluminum bezel ring showcases the famous dot over 90 on its tachymeter scale, a subtle nod to vintage Speedmaster models. Comfort is paramount with the Moonwatch, as evidenced by its brushed 5-arched links per row bracelet, which ensures a secure and comfortable fit. The watch maintains a water resistance of 50 meters, making it suitable for everyday wear. Number 4. The Omega Seamaster Planet. Ocean Blue Dial Watch is a standout timepiece that effortlessly combines cutting-edge functionality with classic style. Featuring a blue ceramic dial, this watch captures attention with its deep, rich color, creating a perfect balance of elegance and performance. The stainless steel case provides durability and strength, while the domed, scratch-resistant sapphire crystal with anti-reflective treatment ensures maximum clarity and readability, even under harsh light. The 43.5mm diameter of the case is ideal for both comfort and presence on the wrist, making it versatile for various occasions. This watch is built for adventure, with an impressive water resistance of up to 600 meters, 2,000 feet, and a helium escape valve that ensures its reliability in extreme diving conditions. Powered by the Omega Master chronometer caliber 8900, known for its precision and resistance to magnetic fields, it guarantees impeccable timekeeping. The transparent caseback lets you admire the craftsmanship of this movement, making it even more appealing to watch enthusiasts. The stainless steel bracelet features a fold-over clasp with an on-the-fly adjustment system, offering comfort and a secure fit for any wrist size. Number 3. The Omega Speedmaster Professional Moonwatch is more than just a timepiece, it's a piece of history. Known for its robust yet refined presence, the 42mm stainless steel case has an asymmetrical design that protects the crown and pushers. The black step dial with the iconic dot over 90 on the aluminum bezel is a direct homage to its spacebound legacy. Inside, it houses the Omega Caliber 3861, a manual winding chronograph movement that features a silicon balance spring, ensuring exceptional resistance to magnetic fields up to 15,000 Gauss. Certified as a master chronometer, it offers unrivaled accuracy and precision. The 50-hour power reserve makes it perfect for extended wear, and the choice between Hesalite glass and sapphire crystal ensures flexibility for different tastes. The Hesalite version with its embossed seahorse medallion stays true to the original, while the sapphire variant offers a transparent caseback that reveals the intricate inner workings of the movement. The chronograph complication includes small seconds, 30-minute, and 12-hour recorders, with a central chronograph hand and a tachymetric scale on the black bezel, making it a practical tool for measuring speed. Number 2. The Omega Seamaster Planet. Ocean Automatic. Black Dial Men's Watch is a true standout in the world of luxury diving timepieces. With its bold and robust design, it offers an exceptional blend of cutting-edge technology and stylish elegance. The case diameter options, 39.5 meter, 42 mu, and 43.5 meter, allow for a personalized fit, while the high-quality stainless steel material ensures durability and resistance to wear. One of its most impressive features is its incredible 600-meter water resistance, making it suitable for professional divers who need a reliable and functional watch in extreme conditions. Powered by Omega's in-house co-axial movements, such as the 8500 and 8900, this watch offers impressive accuracy with a power reserve of about 60 hours. The unidirectional rotating bezel with a ceramic insert is scratch-resistant and ensures smooth, precise functionality. The black dial, complete with luminous indexes and hands, guarantees superior readability in low-light environments, while the inclusion of a helium escape valve makes it even more functional for deep divers. With various strap options, including stainless steel, rubber, and NATO, the Omega Seamaster Planet Ocean provides both versatility and comfort. Number 1. The Omega Speedmaster Racing Automatic Chronograph. Men's Watch is an exceptional timepiece that embodies both sophistication and functionality. Designed for those who appreciate precision and style, this watch boasts a 40mm stainless steel case with a 15mm thickness, offering a robust yet comfortable fit. The Caliber 3330 automatic movement ensures precise timekeeping, coupled with a 52-hour power reserve. The dial in a sleek black color features 3 subdials for chronograph functionality, along with a date display at the 6 o'clock mark. A tachymeter scale on the bezel adds a sporty, motorsport-inspired touch to the design. Its 100-meter water resistance makes it suitable for swimming and snorkeling, though not for deep-sea diving. The stainless steel bracelet complements the overall sporty aesthetic, though some users have mentioned that the clasp could be sturdier. User reviews highlight the Omega Speedmaster Racing for its elegant yet sporty look and overall performance. Many find it visually appealing, with one user stating, "It's the best-looking watch in my collection," while others have appreciated the versatility of the design, making it suitable for various occasions.